This is a 2011 BMW 328. This car has an automatic transmission and a 3.0-liter inline six-cylinder engine. Its top features include a multi-link rear suspension, a navigation system, a low tire pressure indicator, traction control and stability control systems, aluminum wheels, and adaptive brake lights. The following features are also included: memory settings for the seat's positions so you can recall your favorite alignments with the push of one button, dual power seats, cruise control, a CD player, a leather-wrapped steering wheel, performance tires, an engine immobilizer theft deterrent system, an anti-lock braking system, air conditioning with automatic climate control, and this vehicle has less than 36,000 miles. This BMW has had only one owner and it qualifies for the Carfax buyback guarantee. Contact us today and schedule your opportunity to see this automobile in person.